This question is a great reminder that the answer choices are part of the question. They're asking you to represent the solutions of this inequality. You do not need to come up with that equation, inequality, out of nowhere, right? You have 4 options here. Your job is to test those options. So look at them, see what's different, deal with different pieces one at a time. Obviously, we can see that we have different y-intercepts here, right? In fact, that's the only thing that's different, right? Let's just look. -6, +6, -9, +9. Everything else is the same, right? The inequality symbol is the same. The slope is the same. So this isn't really about inequalities at all. Many of you are going to look at this and panic and be like, oh my God, I remember learning this. I completely forgot it. What happens? It doesn't matter. None of it matters. This is literally just, do you understand y equals mx plus b is still the equation of these lines, even when there's an inequality symbol there instead of an equal sign. So the b is the only thing that's changing. That's still the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept of this line? It's -6. That's it. Choice A. Now, obviously, they're trying to trick you a little bit here because 9 is the x-intercept, right? So we do need to remember which axis we're talking about. Y-intercept is always the up and down axis. Now, hopefully, if you don't have that memorized, you just recognize they say it, right? It's labeled as the y-axis, so there you go. But you obviously would need to remember that y equals mx plus b. The b part, that n part, is giving you the y-intercept. So this is a general really good rule on the PSAT is don't panic. Remember, like they're asking simple things in weird ways sometimes. So just look at the answer choices, treat the answer choices as part of the question, break them down into smaller bits. What's changing? Focus on that. So that way you can really focus on the part of the question that matters. This inequality thing is a complete distraction. It has nothing to do with the actual question.